Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Patreon error 500. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side select extensions. You just need to turn off all the extensions guys. After that go back to settings. Go to privacy and security, select third party cookies. Select see all site data and permissions. And you just need to search for Patreon and click on the trash icon next to it and select delete option. After doing it, select about Chrome and it will automatically check for updates. After getting update done, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select the new incognito window. Now in here you just need to search Patreon and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these commands. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task. Select your connection and select properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. An alternative DNS server type 1001 and click on OK. And just close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5 is to use an alternative browser like Firefox, Edge or Brave as an alternative to Chrome because the problem may in Chrome. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.